Hello, good evening, all of you. If you can listen to my voice, please type in the chat box, comment section, so that I can know that I am audible. Hi, Ninath. Is my voice audible? Hello, Manohar. Thank you, Ninath. Yeah, hi, Ranjan. Yeah, thank you, Ram sir. Just waiting for a few moments before we can start. Good evening, all of you. Hi, Swapnil. Hi, Toki. Hello, good evening. Good evening to all of you who have just joined. Good evening, Kavita. Thank you, Satish sir. रनिंग की दुआ है, थोड़ा बहुत दिखे लेते. हेलो शैलेंद्र सर. हाय विजीत. या हेलो. गुड इवनिंग शैलेंद्र सर. वेलकम. So it's 7:05 and I think we would just kick off from here. Hi Amal. I welcome all to this talk on money management for runners. Specifically for runners because I would be correlating many things which are related to runners, and I would expect some participation from you in the form of comments so that it can be more interactive. At the outset, I would like to thank MRR team, Ram sir, and everyone who has given me an opportunity to conduct this session. A very similar session I know has been conducted by Hiral Thanawala. So the topics that I would cover would be quite different and more related to values related to money and some basic tips which every common man, runner or no runner, should practice so that financially the stress on individuals gets reduced. It is like an habit which cannot be foregone. हम लोगों को कुछ बातों का, बेसिक बातों का ध्यान रखना है, especially during this crisis time. Good habits would definitely matter. So in running world, we know there are amateur runners, there are professional runners, but me, you, majority of us are amateurs. Even amongst amateur runners, we can find that there are a few beginners, there are few trained runners, and then we have the podium finishers whom we all are proud about. Friends, especially my running friends, I would like to share a few things which even you would agree that if we talk about a beginner क्या होता है? एक संडे आया, भागा, मेडल मिला, टी शर्ट मिला, he likes it, he enjoys it, and he is like on a race spree. You can find him every Sunday at some or the other race event because it's beginner's high. He just enjoys what he enjoys. He enjoys the medals, he enjoys the t-shirt, definitely enjoys a Facebook post, boasting about the things that he has done. Yeah, he doesn't miss on that. And definitely sometimes in between all these things, he gets some health benefits too. Then we have a trained runner who is into running consistently for about say a year or so. He starts realizing the benefit of running, and then now his focus shifts from medals and to something what has speed, endurance. That becomes his motivation. He now starts targeting races that he wants to achieve a particular speed, he wants to achieve a particular distance. Now the targets are more rational. And we have podium winners. Definitely hats off to them for the hard work, sheer hard work that they do. And their ultimate motivation is definitely the podium. So for a beginner, it's the medal. For the trained runner, it is speed or endurance, the distance. And for a podium finisher, it is the podium. Now when we come to the financial world, there can be many classifications. बहुत सारे अलग अलग प्रकार के लोग हो सकते हैं. But to keep it simple, I would keep it as those which are from the lower middle class. I would not say especially poor, very poor, but yeah, lower middle class, the middle class, and the upper middle class people. Each of them has their own trait. The lower middle class or those people, for them, the struggle in life is food, shelter, clothing, as we say, and mobiles. Nowadays, mobile has become a necessity. Of late, I understood during this lockdown, the education does not come in the essential commodities. It's a non-essential commodity, and I have been into it since 25 years. Anyways, for a middle class person, the growth, wherever he has started his life, the growth in his life as well as the standard of living is his greatest motivation. And for a upper middle class or the rich class, what we call them, for them, maintenance of health and wealth, that becomes the most important criteria. That becomes the motivation. तो अगर आप रनर्स के कैटेगरीज देखोगे, अगर आप फाइनेंशियल वर्ल्ड के कैटेगरीज देखोगे, तो डेफिनेटली देयर आर सर्टन सिमिलैरिटीज. एवरीवन इज मोटिवेटेड टू डू सम और द अदर थिंग्स इन हिज और हर लाइफ. अगर मैं बिगिनर की बात करूँ, रनिंग की वर्ल्ड की बात करते हैं, इफ वी टॉक अबाउट ए बिगिनर, व्हाट हैपेंस फॉर ए बिगिनर? बिगिनर इज ए हैप्पी गो लकी टाइप्स, जो ट्रेनिंग वगैरह में बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान तो नहीं देता है, and he goes on participating races, as I said, every Sunday to Sunday, and also collects so many binges, so many t-shirts, Facebook posts, as I have told everything. I tell you one very important aspect. Organizers like these kind of runners because they are their easy targets. And many a times we also find one very common factor that many of them, without any special attraction, get registered to one or the other event. So these kinds are very, very easy. In the money world, when I talk about the financial world, the lower middle class or the poor people who are struggling in their life, I tell you one thing, even though the struggle, when you look at the face value, you seldom see those lines of frustration. They are happy with whatever they have, more or less than like a beginner, as I said. They survive somehow every day and they are happy for the same. And definitely there are certain class of people who try to exploit them, who offer them various schemes and try to keep them what is called as surviving. We find such people around every day. When we talk about say a trained people, now this is where the seriousness comes into play. The first lot of people are very happy with whatever they get, okay? But trained runner, because he has given his time, he has given his energy, definitely looks for something more. He has targets. Now for a trained runner, the motivation is quite different. Let us try to understand that he has targets in his mind. He has got a personal coach or a coach. He follows a coach who generally gives him instructions. He follows certain specific timetable. He follows a nutrition plan. And suppose from the given timetable one particular slot gets missed, he ensures that कि वो उसको खाली जाने नहीं देता and tries to recover it something. He spends quite a lot of money on good quality of shoes. Not one. हम जानते हैं रनर्स के पास शूज का खजाना होता है. तो he spends a lot of money on that particular thing. He spends money on gadgets. Various kinds of gadgets, which is very debatable. That is not the point of discussion as of today. He tries to figure out which race suits his particular kind the most and tries to participate them. Now, because he has targeted, because he has finalized a race of his choice, he enjoys being there. Whether he achieves his target or not, definitely we can expect that he put something about the same, his training schedule in the Facebook, and tries to gather that social awareness regarding his training. He is aware of things which are happening about him. That best part of a trainer athlete is always that he tries to push his limits every given time. Even during lockdown days, we know there is a lot of controversy which is running around indoor running. Good, bad is a different story, but the best part is every runner is putting his or her best foot forward and trying to achieve something. They are not bogged down by this lockdown. They are trying their best. Now, when we compare this to a middle class person, as I told in the financial world, his struggle is totally different from a lower class middle person. Now, he basically is knowledgeable regarding finance. As many of you might be knowing the basic rules of finance. One of the basic thumb rule of finance is 20% of the income must be savings. I will come back to that a bit later. But a middle class person tries to save as much as he can. Savings, depending upon his need, he uses various kinds of investment. And if he is unable to actually know which investment is to be done, he consults a financial planner. He definitely consults a financial planner. He follows the different money management measures. Knowingly, unknowingly, what happens in this course is the spending from necessities move slowly towards luxuries. He starts spending on brands. And that is when he has to be very careful about. Because सर्वाइवल की बातें जो है वो तो करनी ही हैं. जो हमने पहले बात की थी, फूड, शेल्टर, क्लोथिंग, एजुकेशन एंड हॉस्पिटल्स एंड व्हाट नॉट, मोबाइल फोन्स, प्लस नाउ ही हैज टू स्पेंड समथिंग एक्स्ट्रा. Again, after every small achievement, he does try to go forward. He is not contented. He tries to move ahead in life inch by inch. And this is the story of, again, everyone here, me, you can always find these things. His targets, just like a trained runner, he is not satisfied. Suppose एक runner ने start किया and let us say that 10 kilometers he ran in 65 minutes. He keeps a target of 60 minutes 10k. The moment he achieves 10k, 60 minutes, he is not contented. He revises his target. Now it has to be somewhere around 57, 58, then to a 55, and maybe slowly and steadily, because he is putting his efforts. Likewise, this middle class guy, once he reaches a particular standard of living, he tries to revise his targets, financial targets. He reaches that level and again goes to the next part. This is when he has to be absolutely very careful. He has to be aware about what exactly he is doing. Now, when we come to the top level, that is the podium winner, they are a class apart. They are least bothered as to the number of participants in the event. They just look around for the people whom they are going to compete with. That is the fellow podium winners. Their requirements are quite different because their trainings are equally that much strong. What they aim for is just podium. And they know that The fellow podium winner is also equally capable. He is also equally trained. So it depends on that particular day whether he will get or not his particular podium, depending upon various other factors of running. Generally, it is also found that these podium winners are not what is called as coming from a great background. उन लोगों के लिए तो दिस इज ए काइंड ऑफ सोर्स ऑफ लिविंग. जैसे हमेशा मैं ये क्लासरूम में भी बोलता हूँ, इन ए रेस ऑफ टॉम एंड जेरी. हम लोगों ने बचपन में कार्टून बहुत देखा है, टॉम एंड जेरी वाला. टॉम एंड जेरी में अगर हम लोग एक सर्वे ले अमॉन्ग 100 पीपल, whom do you like, Tom or Jerry? I would just like to ask my participants who are just viewing here, whom do you like among Tom and Jerry? Can you just type in the comment box if you can? I would be interested to know. अगर आप टॉम एंड जेरी देखते हो तो आपको कौन अच्छा लगता है, टॉम कि जेरी? I'm just waiting for certain feedbacks. If you can just share it. Both. Sir, you are, I know, a certain level, so both is quite normal. But अगर मैं एक नॉर्मल बच्चे से भी पूछूंगा तो the answer is quite obvious. Other three answers, that is Jerry. There is a very beautiful message there. People like Jerry because Jerry always runs for his life and Tom runs for his food. I repeat my words. Jerry runs for his life and Tom runs for his food. So a person who runs for his life is always preferred. This is what we are. So even when we talk about a podium winner, remember that we all look forward to him. We always keep them as our motivation. We always look forward for those people who run their hearts out. Yes, thank you Kanaji Patil, thank you Ranjan, Ravi, and those who all give me answers. So that is how it is when we talk about a upper middle class person. So his basic financial needs are always taken care of. His survival, his maintenance is what he always looks forward to. I basically, being a blogger, I write certain blogs of myself, and one of the basic things which I always find is the problem of surplus is more graver than the problem of scarcity. Definitely when the resources are scarce, अगर आप किसी गरीब के बच्चे के घर पे जाके देखोगे तो फूड के लिए जो झगड़ा होता है, that is very painful. बट अगर हम लोग कहीं शादी में खाना में देखते हैं, when we look at a buffet dinner, when there is surplus of things, I tell you the problem is much graver. क्या खाना है और क्या छोड़ना है ये डिसाइड करना बहुत मुश्किल है, and this is where these people always fall trap into. The problem of surplus is more graver than the problem of scarcity. Remember these things. So to take the things forward, they have to live a life which others follow, just like a podium winner. Like this COVID, we expect that many of the people, many of them who are into this upper middle class zone or who have surplus available with them, to come ahead and do charity. I see many of my friends complaining, यार इसने तो कुछ भी दिया नहीं है, कम से कम आज के दिन में तो भी उसने चैरिटी करना चाहिए. दे टेक ऑल बिग नेम्स, सो दे हैव टू बी समहाउ रोल मॉडल. इट इज immaterial what problems they face at their end, but people look forward to them, just as I said about the podium winners. So once we understand the three category of runners and the people in monetary world, एक बात पक्का है कि कोई ना कोई या हर एक जन का मोटिवेशन लेवल अलग है, बट वी आर रनिंग बिहाइंड इट रेगुलरली राइट फ्रॉम द डे वन. Whether it is a medal, whether it is our target of time, whether it is for maintenance of health, we are having our own motivation for sure. Motivation may be different, but the best part is it keeps us healthy. It keeps us what is called as in the active state of life. In the monetary world, I tell you, the most important thing one has to manage is being in an aware state. I come to something which is called as values of money. So being in a state of awareness is something which is very, very important for everyone. Now, what is being into a state of awareness? Let us think about a podium winner. Podium winner बनने के लिए the efforts which goes into the what is called as runner or athlete is tremendous. And in this process, it is quite often noticed that the athlete gets injured. Now, when he gets injured, it pushes him back by 3 months. All his efforts go down the drain. So definitely there must be a backup plan for every podium winner कि आज ये करेंगे तो ऐसा, वो करेंगे तो वैसा, नहीं हुआ तो क्या, plan A, plan B, plan C definitely is needed. So as I told you, an athlete trains under a coach, the coach comes to the fore and helps here. Likewise, in the monetary field, every person, whatever category he belongs to, since he is in this active state of life, he is continuously doing something or the other. लॉकडाउन में भी हम लोग देख रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि लॉकडाउन हो गया तो people are taking rest at home. Everybody is doing something or the other. You may not believe that being a chartered accountant, I find at least 2 webinars each day. Being into education field, webinars related to our sectors are going on every single day. We see in the running world, every page is going live just to keep people entertained and of course aware. So this is something that everybody needs to take care of. And as I was telling about the injury for a podium winner, likewise, if a middle class person, if anybody for that matter, what is called as something happens to that person, an accident or something, he gets pushed back in all the financial goals. So he must definitely have a backup. He must have proper suggestions, people who suggest him, whom we call as the financial planners. So क्या करना चाहिए? Satish Gujaran sir always says, and I have used this sentence at majority of my seminars and webinars, running is healthy for you. Are you healthy for running? ये स्टेटमेंट बहुत सारे लोगों ने अलग अलग जगह पर कॉन्टेक्स्ट में यूज किया हुआ है, बट दिस इज अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट. Likewise, finance is very important, and if you do not take care of it, definitely it is going to cause so much of pressure on you. Hello, hi Ramya, hi Rajni. I will just talking about the various things. So doing too much too soon is dangerous everywhere, and that is always an universal truth. You have to take time from a beginner to a what is called as trained runner to a podium winner. There has to be a gradual transition, and that will help. Likewise, from a lower middle class to a middle class to a upper middle class, yeah, it definitely helps. Hello Vijender sir, glad to have you. So when we are in a state of awareness, what mistakes, even I committed such mistakes, such blunders when I was young. When we start earning, we start spending, we do make certain investment. Being a finance guy, though I was aware, but still it happens कि we slip on certain places. How is this going to help? So you need to take out a pen, and this is very important. Those who are listening, if you can just do this, it will help you in the long run. हम लोग बहुत सारे फाइनेंस की बातें अपने मन में लिखते हैं. हमको पता होता है अगला महीना ईएमआई आने वाला है, ये तारीख को अगला महीना मुझे प्रीमियम भरना है, अपने को मालूम है. बट व्हाट इफ समथिंग हैपेंस टू अस? हाउ विल आवर फैमिली मेंबर्स नो अबाउट सर्टन ऑफ आवर debts or certain of our commitments, financial commitments? So you need to write down on a piece of paper what is your income, what is your expenses, how much do you save through various things. Savings का बात करने जाओ तो उसके लिए अलग से आधा पौना घंटा लग जाएगा. I am not going into that depth. just I am saying basic savings kitna hai, and what are the different investments based on your needs. Financial planning is always individual. It cannot be for a group. It has to be based on individual person. My mentor always says in this regards, think it, ink it, do it and review it. I repeat my words. He says, think it. Here, awareness. Ink it, write on a piece of paper. Do it. And once you do it, again review. ये मेरे को जम रहा है क्या? Of course, this simple formula will help everyone. So, whatever class you belong to, you have to follow these things. And especially, as I say, in this lockdown period, अगर आप इस बात का ध्यान रखोगे, I am sure it is going to help you a lot. Because now is the time to adjust. Now is the time to make major changes in our life. This lockdown, as we hear कि ये तारीख को बंद हो जाएगा, अब हो जाएगा, सब क्लियर हो जाएगा, क्लियर हो गया, God willing, it's great. But we have to live this life that we are seeing for the past 52 days for at least another 100 days to come. God forbid, as I say, as I talk, I know that I am talking very sensibly. We have to be in a state of awareness. नहीं तो हवे में रहोगे तो बहुत सारा चीज हमारा तरफ से तकलीफ हो जाएगा. You need to be aware to cut down on your wasteful expenditure. Now, what is wasteful? It is again case to case basis. You need to decide on that. When it comes to respect, the second value, first was awareness. I told about the awareness part. Now, when it comes to the respect part, again, you need to respect money. 100 days, okay, that is just a presumption. I really am not sure as to how things, unless and until we get a proper official announcement about the same, everything is just an estimation. And even the person sitting at the highest seat may not be able to comment upon that. This is just a figure that I am sharing. We need to look beyond. We need to adapt to the situation. So coming back to the respect of money, हम तो बचपन से सीखते आ रहे, यानी आई एम श्योर एवरीबडी मस्ट बी डूइंग दिस. अगर गलती से नोट अपने हाथ से 10 रुपए का नोट भी जमीन पे गिर गया तो उठा के सर पे रखने का आदत बचपन से है हमको. दिस इज बेसिक रेस्पेक्ट. इसको अलग से सिखाने का ज़रूरत नहीं है. आई वुड नॉट कमेंट, बट या वी नीड टू बी मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दिस. एंड इफ इट हैपेंस अ बिट अर्लियर, everyone would be happy for the same. So as and when the income has started drying up, I'm talking about the lockdown period now, as and when the income has dropped, then the respect has to be in such a way that, as you all understand, you all believe, you all know that money carries energy, and this energy is very strong energy. Unless and until you respect it, it does not stay. It is said in various traditions that you need to have a proper place to keep money at your house. There is a reason behind it. It is said that a cluttered house is the result of a cluttered mind. When your mind is doing so many things, there is so many clutter of thoughts, you basically are scared of something. इसीलिए बहुत सारी बातें आपको एक साथ में होती है. So clarity of thoughts, we all know, is a very good way of living. Likewise, clarity, cleanliness in house is one of the way that you respect money. There are people I know, we have seen, who used to write something on the notes. Not a very good sign. You are some way or the other hurting the economy in a very macro level. That is disrespect. So therefore now the government has come up with very, very harsh rules that you should not write anything on a 500 rupee note or a 200 rupee note, else bank will not accept. I am happy that this habit of many people writing the numbers on the notes has reduced to a great extent. Again, keeping of money, we runners sometimes tend to do this mistake. हम लोग पैसा कहाँ रखते हैं अगर आप सोचोगे, स्पेशली ऑन द रेस डे, और इवन इफ़ यू आर गोइंग फॉर ए ट्रेनिंग लॉन्ग रन्स, फुल मैराथन वाले लोग को इसकी आदत होती है, पैसा तो ज़रूरी है, पैसा कहाँ रखना है, तो दे क्रम्बल एंड कीप इट एनीवेयर एंड एवरीवेयर. If you can just take care of that small action, maybe I'm just putting up my words, the respect would increase. So you can take care in many ways. One more major value which I always emphasize upon is gratitude. As we all know that in this crisis of lockdown, there are very few areas wherein people are actually earning, means उनका धंधा चल रहा है. Majority of them are working from home and definitely they are struggling a lot. We have started reading in newspapers. Now US and other things are a distant place for us, but even in our own country we have started reading that corporates have started showing the way out to many employees. Now this is going to increase as the days pass by. So immediately the first thing is you must have this sense of gratitude. You must express your gratitude towards this financial energy. कि whatever you get, you may be getting 50% cut, but don't just grudge upon that. यार इतना ही मिला, यही हुआ. What you are suffering, please understand one thing. आप जो सहन कर रहे हो, दुनिया वही सहन कर रही है. Everyone is facing the same problems. I will come to solutions. Before the end of this session, I will be sharing some very basic tips. I am not a finance guy. Let me be very clear. Even though I have this certification of being a CA, my core competency area is definitely education, and but finance is my field. In education, I teach accountancy, so this is very close to my heart. And I find many people lack the basic things. So that is why I requested Ram sir से जब मेरी बात हुई, Ram sir said, you talk about education. But more about education, I thought this is something which has to be touched upon. So whatever you get as on date, if you are an employee, don't grudge upon that. Be happy, feel contented, say thank you that you got this, at least you got this. We work through an organization called as VK Memorial Welfare Association. I provide, we provide kits to poor people who are struggling to find to meet ends for the day. We provide ration, and I find some very pathetic conditions. It's really very poor conditions. They are not able to get one time of food. So from there to what we have is definitely luxury. We definitely you look at the फिनिश लाइन, आप कोई भी रेस का फिनिश लाइन अपने सामने इमेजिन करो. इवन यू कैन कंसिडर योर सेल्फ रनर्स. इमेजिन द डे व्हेन यू अचीव्ड योर गोल. आप सब 60 के लिए भाग रहे थे और आपको सब 60 मिल गया. थिंक अबाउट द इमोशंस दैट रैन इन योर माइंड. यू आर जस्ट एस्थेटिक. आपने जो कमाल कर दिया. वी सी पीपल क्राइंग एट द फिनिश लाइन. That crying is not crying, it's an emotional outburst. It's the result of the training for such a long period of time. ये बहुत बढ़िया चीज़ है. कुछ लोग jump with joy. Somebody puts their fist on. Somebody hugs somebody. Somebody says thank you. What we do, we thank our coach, we thank our Almighty for making us capable enough to achieve our target. We thank God that we can run. There are so many people who cannot do the basic things. So ये हमारा वापस बेसिक नेचर है. ग्रैटिट्यूड. वी टेंड टू फॉरगेट कि टू शो थैंकफुलनेस फॉर वॉट एवर वी हैव. वी हैव दिस हैबिट ऑफ ग्रजिंग फॉर वॉट वी डू नॉट हैव. दैट्स फाइन, बट जो है उसके लिए पहले थैंक यू तो बोल देते यार. हमारे पास बहुत सारा चीज़ है. I definitely would like to take one name when I am live. I don't know whether she is not yet come. Mansi Samudra. I keep on looking at her post every day. आई होप आप में से कई सारे लोग ने भी किया होगा. The morning breakfast, if you read the content, every day she says that कल का कुछ बच गया उसको मैंने ऐसा कुछ तो भी नया किया. There may be others. I'm sorry, I am taking her name only. There may be others who are doing that every day. That is a way of showing gratitude. Do not throw over the things just because it is one day old. You can make various things out of the same thing, whatever we have. So this practice of gratitude may definitely help you in the long run. It may be जैसा एक बहुत ही सिंपल सा कहावत है, मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ, मनी सेव्ड इज मनी अर्नड. आज हम लोग जो पैसा बचा रहे हैं, 1 रुपया भी बच गया, वो 1 रुपया हमारा कल का कमाई में काम में आएगा. इट विल हेल्प अस स्पेंडिंग टुमारो. तो प्लीज बी हैविंग दिस virtue of gratitudeness towards everything, not only money but for everything that you have. It will definitely add to the what is called as kitty. One more value which generally people, ये तो सबके पास रहता ही है, definitely that is love for money. But again, love for money should be very plain, simple, basic love that is like your parents love upon you, you have with your kids, brothers and sisters, family members. Why I am saying so is because there is a thin line of difference between love and greed. In this monetary world, loving money is not accumulating money. It combines all the features that I spoke earlier. The gratitude, the respect, everything comes in the form of love for money. आपने डेफिनेटली इन दिस वर्ल्ड, कमर्शियल वर्ल्ड, वी नीड लॉट ऑफ मनी टू सर्वाइव, इवन टू सर्वाइव. तो उसमें अगर हम उस चीज़ से प्यार नहीं करेंगे तो फिर कैसे चलेगा. शाहरुख खान ने भी बोला है, किसी चीज़ को शिद्दत से पाने की कोशिश की तो कायनात भी उसे तुम्हें मिलाने में जुड़ जाता है. सो वेरी सिमिलर टू दैट, इफ़ यू आर हैविंग दैट रेस्पेक्ट ऑफ लव टुवर्ड्स मनी, इट विल डेफिनेटली बी अलॉन्ग विथ यू. एंड लव, एज आई से, सच ए फैक्टर which definitely helps you multiply your state of mind. If you are happy, पैसा आते हो बहुत लोग खुश हो जाते हैं, लेकिन देते वक्त मैंने बोला, एक 10 रुपया भी रिक्शा वाले को देना है, 20 रुपया भी देना है, तो they have some kind of grudge in them again. लेकिन it's an energy, pure energy. देते वक्त याद रखना, there is some very beautiful saying, givers gain. देते वक्त अच्छे मन से दो, अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ को देते वक्त खासकर, तो वापस जब आपको मिलेगा ना, इट विल बी 10 टाइम्स. हाय योगेश, वेलकम टू द टॉक. सो इफ यू फॉलो दिस बेसिक वैल्यूज विच हैज बीन taught to us from since our childhood, it would be a great thing which everyone should follow. कमिंग टू द फाइनेंस पार्ट, ऐसा नहीं कोई टीचर जैसा मैं सिर्फ वैल्यू सिखा के आज का सेशन खत्म हो गया बोल रहा हूँ. I come to some practical things which every runner again must take care of. There is a basic financial rule which majority of the financial experts always tell, that is a 50-30-20 rule, wherein 50% we spend on the necessities, what we require for survival. 30% is for your luxuries. ये रेस भी इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए, आउटडोर रन के लिए पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए जब हम लोग जाते हैं, सो वंस वी स्टार्ट आवर नॉर्मल रूटीन, तो 30% यू कैन स्पेंड ऑन दोज एंड 20% मस्ट बी सेविंग्स कंपल्सरी. एंड इट इज़ नॉट द फॉर्मूला ऑफ इनकम माइनस एक्सपेंस इज इक्वल टू सेविंग. दैट इज़ ए वेरी रॉन्ग फॉर्मूला. आप अगर 1000 रुपया कमाते हो तो सी टू इट दैट फर्स्ट थिंग इज 200 रुपीज इज केप्ट असाइड. उसको हाथ नहीं लगाना है. अच्छा, बचपन में अपन ये करते थे, जिस दिन कॉलेज का पॉकेट मनी अपने को मिलता था ना, सबसे पहले अपन अपना सेविंग पैसा छुपा के रखते थे. आज क्यों बदल गया? आज हम लोग खर्चे पे ज़्यादा कॉन्सेंट्रेट कर रहे, तो एट द एंड ऑफ द डे नथिंग इज लेफ्ट फॉर सेविंग्स. Today, during the days of lockdown, I tell you, whosoever has saved is in a much better position, because the actual live income is very less, or it is in a compromised form. So make this a habit कि whatever you earn, 20% first you have to keep away for what is called as saving. बाकी का 80% में मैंने 50-30 का क्लासिफिकेशन बताया। लॉकडाउन में मैं थोड़ा और जाके इसको ट्विस्ट करता हूँ, क्योंकि अभी तो हमारा लग्जरीज का खर्चा बहुत सारा बच गया है, तो we can cut down that percentage. Necessities you cannot compromise, you must not compromise. If you are able to, with the discussion amongst family members, it would be a great thing to cut down on the expenses to spend to the T. बट फैमिली मेम्बर्स में रेस्पॉन्ड की, यार तुम इतना कमाते हो, अभी तुम 2 महीना के लिए क्यों सोच रहे हो? सो यू, दैट इज अगेन depending upon family to family thing, it would be subjective matter. But the 30% part, जहाँ पर आप मॉल में जाते थे, मूवी देखने जाते थे, रेस्टोरेंट का खाना खाने जाते थे, ये जो अपना 30% है, इसको आप कट डाउन करके you can bring down to 5% or 10%. Of course, if there is an occasion in the family, cake, ice cream, which are available, if possible, again, if possible, if things get a bit regular, you can definitely spend on them. So the revised formula for lockdown will be 50% necessities, 5 to 10% on luxuries, 20% saving, बचा हुआ पैसा वापस कहीं तो भी लिक्विड फंड्स में रखना, कभी भी ज़रूरत पड़ सकता है. Here I would like to make mention of 3 important aspects of financial planning. The 3 important aspects are, first one, you must, as I say, have certain investments, savings wala part. But before you go there, you must have a term insurance. Term insurance is something which every single person must have. Now, insurance and investment are 2 different aspects, altogether different. People try to combine and derive the best advantage, but my analysis says that anyone who has combined is not gaining much. So it is pure insurance. The premiums are quite less. So we never know what is going to happen with us tomorrow. So term insurance is something which one must not compromise upon. Second is medical insurance. मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस में भी बेसिक जो आपका घर का रिक्वायरमेंट है वो तो आपको करना ही है. आजकल गवर्नमेंट हैज कम अप, वेरियस इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज हैज कम अप, IRD हैज कम अप विद कोविड इंश्योरेंस प्लान wherein the premium amounts are very what is called as negligible. For a 1 lakh rupees policy, some around 540 rupees is the premium. You can consult your financial planner for the same. But I would suggest ये एक चीज करके रखना, at least for the family. If there are employers who are listening to me, you can take it for your employees. For an organization having 7 employees, this is going to be mandatory, compulsory by the law very shortly. तो ये एक चीज़ ज़रूर करना. एंड रनर्स होने के वजह से एक और मेडिकल जो पॉलिसी है, बेसिकली कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव पॉलिसी जो होता है, डेफिनेटली यू नीड टू टेक ऑन दैट, सो दैट जैसे मैंने बताया था कि अगर कोई हादसा हो जाता है, एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है, रनिंग के वक्त हो जाता है, तो यू can get back some amount, that is comprehensive personal accident insurance policy. प्रीमियम इसका भी काफ़ी लो होता है, बट ये एक पॉलिसी आपको हमेशा इन हैंड. बीइंग ए रनर, वी आर or a cyclist, we are on roads, we never know what happens. So this policy will help you to come back to normalcy as soon as something untowards happen. And one basic financial suggestion, टर्म प्लान बता दिया, मेडिकल के बारे में बता दिया. थर्ड इज कॉन्टिजेंसी फंड हमेशा अपने पास रखना, विच इज़ 6 months ऑफ एक्सपेंसेस. जैसे अभी लॉकडाउन का पीरियड चालू है, तो डेफिनेटली इट विल हेल्प यू टू मेंटेन योर एक्सपेंसेस एट होम. Financial planning, as I told, it is very subjective, depends upon your age, your marital status, what you are there, different kinds of investment. I'm sure those who have attended Hiral Tanawala's session, he has emphasized on different kinds of investment, and even if needed, you can approach me later, but he has definitely gone into depth on those topics. Before finishing the talk, I would like to just tell you one more very important thing, that is creation of passive income. Passive income is something which is, it may be through interest, it may be through dividend, it may be through rent. We are having quite a number of authors in this Roadrunners, Mumbai Roadrunners group. So writing of book for publication gives you a royalty income, which is a passive income. So many things are there. Networking business mein there is a royalty income. So if you can create a passive income, that is an added advantage, and at times of crisis it plays a very big role. अगर आपको याद होगा तो मैंने रिवाइज लॉकडाउन में जो 30% अपना इनकम बचा था, जिसको हम लोगों ने लिक्विड फंड्स में डाल के रखने बोला था, यू कैन start accumulating now as and when possible, and maybe later on put it into either a new business or maybe into some other like gold souvenir bonds are available. Rather than investing in actual pure gold, government has introduced gold souvenir bonds, or so many investment opportunities do come up. By taking proper advice, you can think about investing there and creating a source of passive income. These were few things which I definitely wanted to share being a runner for my runner friends. So if you have not yet made any financial goals for yourself, I would definitely suggest you do one. As I said you, थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने बताया था, जो लोगों ने लेट ज्वाइन किया उनके लिए मैंने वापस बता रहा हूँ कि राइट डाउन ऑन ए पीस ऑफ पेपर व्हाट यू अर्न, व्हाट यू स्पेंड एंड व्हाट यू सेव. दैट विल हेल्प यू अ लॉट. Any questions? I would be more than happy to answer. Yes, friends. देखते देखते it is 7:48. Maybe another 10 minutes we should be able to wind it off. कुछ डाउट्स, कुछ पूछना है, किसी को कुछ बोलना है तो डेफिनेटली या एनी क्वेश्चंस. Shall we wind it off, Ram sir? I think it was more or less done. अभी तक तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं आ रहा है. Thank you so much, Parvez sir. Yeah, money is always interesting. Right time or not in investing in share market? See, if you have surplus income which doesn't affect your daily source of living, then you can think of investing, but you need consultation for sure. All the market values, all the share, a kind of shares are available at very good economical values. You need consultation. Suggestions to generate passive income through long-term investments? Yeah, definitely. There are, again, as I told you, it depends upon individual needs, priorities. We can suggest long-term investments and creation of passive income. Mutual funds is one which I would definitely suggest. How much to invest in life insurance? Life insurance, fortunately, Shailendra sir, I would like to share one very personal aspect. Apart from being a CA, I just have submitted my thesis on insurance, that is life insurance company especially. So investment in life insurance, we need to know about the family background, the earning members, the dependents on the same, and come to the figure as to how much should be invested. But if you take a thumb rule again, whatever you earn today, that much income, 20 times of that must be invested, is what is the basic thumb rule. Can you say thing about mutual funds when we get maximum returns? So taking a very conservative approach, returns will start flowing minimum after 12 months, nothing before that. मार्केट अपने आप को एडजस्ट करने को, इट इज गोइंग टू बी मोर देन ए ईयर फॉर श्योर. थैंक यू संतोष. So before winding off, I would like to share one small thing from my side. Is NPS enough as an after retirement income, or should you investment in some more retirement plans? Swapnil, the thing is again, how much have you invested? Who are your dependents? Your age, and like as I said, it's a very individual, subjective decision. You can get in touch with me, and I would be more than happy to help you. Figures on a live session, it cannot be put up, it's for sure. Considering that income is down, and especially related to, sir, more than the income and expense part, will it be COVID free? That should be a bigger concern for everyone. So yeah, my suggestion would be no. Even though I am a race organizer, but a pure runner at heart, it is not a very good time to go in for outstation runs, especially because it's going to be very tough. It's going to be tough unless as I said, there is some what is called as blessings from Almighty, and we get a proper solution to this COVID. I don't think till that time anyone should even have something like this in our mind. Yeah, what we are doing at MRR and every running group, we must continue doing our regular bit of exercises, and this is again very important for financial world also. That is, keep doing your regular work. Do not stop your SIPs if you have. Do not stop your SIPs in this COVID times, because in the long run it is going to generate maximum benefits. सरप्लस ऑफ फंड्स कितना अवेलेबल है उसके ऊपर बहुत कुछ डिपेंड करेगा स्वप्निल. इफ यू हैव सरप्लस, एज आई सेड, इफ यू हैव सरप्लस which does not disturb your regular life, then you can make a one time investment for sure. Otherwise SIP is better any day. So before I sign off, I would just like to share this very important thing which I again learned from my mentor, that is about the goddess of wealth. If we look at the name of goddess of wealth, it is Mahalakshmi. If you try to break these words, थोड़ा मराठीत बोलतो आता, महालक्ष्मीला जर आपण थोडासा ब्रेक केलं तर what does it have? It has three parts. महा, लक्ष, नंतर मी. तर have big goals in life. Maha, big, Laksha is goals. Have big goals in life and then think about yourself. When you do this, Mahalakshmi will be definitely happy, and she will be happy to reside in your house. So this is CA Vishwanathan Iyer signing off. Thank you everyone for being a wonderful audience, and thank you MRR once again. Thank you Ram sir for giving this opportunity. Thank you. Good night. Stay blessed. Stay home.